Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. Today it's Sunday, January 14. Instead, I'm going to work. I cannot go work. I'm stuck. Snow now 7 inches plus 5 before. It's 12 inches now. So once again, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. The road are a mess. So I'm stuck here. 7 inches plus 5 last time is 12 inches now. I need to plow. Once again, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. Here they go, guys. Snow. We have a snowstorm. Until today, I call no work by my work. I call I'm not going to work. I cannot drive. Once again, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. It's 7 inches this morning. And we have the old one, 5 inches. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. What the heck. Here they go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog.